My name is Nick Nowlin. I am the Construction Project Manager for ACLC in Central Dining. Central Dining Hall is a roughly 40,000 square foot facility, 4 stories including mechanical level and ground level, that is located in the heart of campus. Opening in May of 2021, they will have access to home sauté, deli salad, Latin, allergen station, pasta pizza, and a Mongolian grill, with a Starbucks opening in 2022. The academic classroom and laboratory complex, also known as the ACLC building, is roughly 150,000 square feet. That includes ground and mechanical level, and it's also a 4-story structure. The academic classroom and laboratory complex consists of office spaces, vaulted auditoriums, which also is a large-scale storm shelter on the ground floor, and a multitude of flex classrooms.